Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to go live on TikTok whilst playing games. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily live stream games on TikTok. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store, your App Store. Now once you open your App Store, your Play Store, you have to make sure your TikTok is updated to the latest version. So just update your TikTok application and make sure you are using the latest version of your TikTok application. So just click on update and then update your TikTok application. Now once you have updated your TikTok, just go ahead and then open your TikTok. And once you open your TikTok, at the down right corner you can see your profile. Just click on that, and once you click on your profile over here, you can see your profile and you can see edit profile. Just click on this edit profile, and once you click on edit profile, all you need to do is to just scroll to where you can see category. Just click on category, and you need to make sure you set your category to gaming. So just search for gaming. You can see it over here, gaming. Set it to gaming and then click on save. Now once you are done with this, just go back, and then at the upper right corner you can see this three lines over here. Just click on this three lines, and once you click on that, you can see settings and privacy. Just click on settings and privacy, and then you can see over here the first option says account. Just click on account, and you can see switch to a personal account. Already my account is a business account, so you need to make sure your account is a business account. And also you can see, just go back and under settings and privacy, scroll down, and you can see over here free up space. You need to clear storage over here. Sorry, you have to clear cache over here, and also you can clear your download for you to have enough space. And you need to make sure your TikTok is not on data saving mode. So you can see data saver. You need to make sure this button is not on. You need to make sure this button is off always, because TikTok needs a lot of internet connection. So you need to make sure everything is accurate over here. And once you are done, boom, everything is okay now. So just go back, and once you go back, you can see in the middle over here, you can see the plus sign. Just click on this plus, and once you click on the plus, you can see this over here. Scroll to where you can see live. Just click on live, and once you click on live, at the top here you can see the gaming over here. Already I have selected gaming, so just click on gaming. You can see we have the live studio, which is another gaming, but you have to download some software to do that. So you can see gaming over here, but this is on the mobile, so you have to select the type of game you want to play. But if your game is not here, just scroll to the last end and you can see other game. Just click on that, and depending on the game that you want to play, some games will appear in landscape mode and others too will appear in portrait mode. So you have to be very careful with that. So you have to select the game, and then once you are done, just click on go live. And once you click on go live, your screen, it will start a screen recording. So everything is gonna record on your screen. Everything you do on your phone will be recorded. So all you need to do is to just select the game you want to play, and then it will be streamed to them. live, so your followers will able to watch the video. And also you need to make sure you are not using a private account. You need to make sure you are not using a private account so that you can get this access and enjoy your free game. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video